Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Intercom for chat response workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your Intercom dashboard. Log in with your account credentials. Locate the product section in the left-hand menu. Click on Chat. In the chat settings, find the Workflows tab. Select Response Workflows from the options available. Click on the plus New Workflow button. Choose the type of workflow you want to create. Select when a user sends a message as your trigger. Now, you can specify the conditions for this trigger. Decide whether to apply the workflow to all users or specific segments. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now, define the actions for this workflow. You can choose to send an automated reply immediately. Alternatively, you can set a delay before the response is sent. If needed, add additional actions such as tagging users or notifying a team member. After defining your actions, review all the settings to ensure accuracy. When you are satisfied, click the Save button. Finally, publish the workflow to activate it. Your chat response workflow is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.